Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make 15-minute sriracha ramen noodles. My little brother loves this recipe. He says it's one of the best on my website, and he's not wrong. This recipe is really good, and the best part is it takes only 15 minutes to make it. Now, this is not a soupy ramen noodles. This is more of a noodles with sauce situation, but let me tell you, it's really good. To start, we're gonna head on over to the stove. We're gonna place 4 eggs into a saucepan filled with cold water and bring this to a boil. Making our boiled eggs is actually the longest part of this entire recipe. Once it comes to a boil, turn off the heat and pop a lid on it. Let the eggs sit like this for 6 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna get ready to boil our noodles, so bring another pot of water to a boil on the stove, and while we're waiting for that, we're gonna put together our sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of sriracha hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of honey, and finally 1 teaspoon of ginger. Whisk this all together. And that's it for our sauce. Next, we're ready to boil our ramen noodles. Now you can either use these cheap little packets and just discard the flavor packets. You'll need 2, or you can buy boxes of ramen noodles as well. Either way, you'll just cook 6 ounces according to the package directions. And of course, ramen cooks super fast. At this point, my eggs are done, so I'm gonna submerge them into an ice bath to get them to stop cooking. Once the eggs are cooled, you can peel them and slice them in half. They're gonna go on top of the ramen noodles. Our ramen is done, so I'm gonna remove it from the water and place it into a large mixing bowl. Then we'll take our sauce, pour it over the ramen, and toss it all together. Chop up some fresh cilantro, slice up some green onions, and we're ready to put this together. Put some ramen into a bowl here, sprinkle on some cilantro and green onion, place an egg in there, and then if you're feeling fancy, garnish with some sesame seeds and crushed red pepper flakes. Grab some chopsticks and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.